In casting for a simple vertical gating system with a gate of cross-sectional area 2 cm square and a sprue height of 10 cm, the filling time for the mold of the dimension. So the formula for the filling time T equals to volume divided by discharge Q, and again it's a volume upon discharge is area into velocity, again it's volume upon area into velocity. For this case is √2gh. Now for the volume we can write L into B into H upon area into √2gh. So now putting all the values, we will have length as 40 into breadth 20 into height 10 divided by area. Area is given as 2 cm square into √2 into G in centimeter is 980 centimeter per second square and H is 10 centimeter. So we have 28.57 seconds. So up to one decimal place is 28.6 second.